Alright, I came into this little antique shop here around Montrose, and I came across this 1961 Willies pickup truck. It's for sale. I'm not sure exactly how much they're asking for it. Let's see if we can get the hood to come up. See what's underneath that. Yeah, looks like it's got a flat 4. If anybody knows anything about that. There's the alternator, water pump, carburetor, and I'm not sure what they got over there. Some kind of a, I don't know if that's a gas tank temporary or what, but anyway, they took the battery out of it, which is probably a good thing. See if I can get this to go down one-handed. Kind of a unique little slide there. It's cold weather, so not wanting to cooperate too good. There's a little Willys symbol. Got good rubber on it. Just a beautiful work of art, man. Fine truck, 1961. Let's see what the bed looks like. It's just got some plywood in it, it looks like. The back. In pretty good shape though overall. I don't really see a lot of rust spots on it. Of course it looks like it might have some Bondo or something, I don't know. There's the gas cap on it. Got your running boards. There's no door handles though. Side view mirrors, no rear view mirror. I don't know how well you can see on the inside there. But anyway, I just thought I'd show it to you. We don't see this kind of thing very often out here on the road anymore. So anyway, 1961 Willys.